As a side-going project, I've got myself a Kymco uvx500i. I picked it up for next to nothing, a couple $100, maybe $500. Paid like $60 for a U-Haul trailer, and it came in like 4 boxes, about that size. I still have 1 box left to go. That one right there. That one's got all the plates and stuff in it. And there's the hood. But I got the engine in, and I don't have the shafts in right now. I don't want this thing to run off on me. But I had no instructions at all. I have no idea what the hell I was doing. I mean, I built cars for a long time, but I never built side-by-sides. But yeah, that looks like that's it. The only thing that I don't know is where does this guy go and where does this guy go. So I've got it going to the return field just in case. And I'm running manifold directly to this, what I assume is a EGR valve. But let me grab a screwdriver and see if she'll start. Yeah. Okay, so that's a breather. That's obviously jumping in. Convert gas, I can feel pressure. There's a lot of blow by. Everything seems to be working. My oil level looks correct. It's not on fire. I'm going to turn it off. Super duper happy. Yay! Now I have to put it together.